Seriously, tell me, why don't you use these amazing AI tools in your work on Pinterest, even though they are very helpful and solve any problem you are encountering while you are promoting your stuff? And after this video, I promise you would love me and like working on Pinterest. So now let's get started. And for sure, the first problem you are facing on Pinterest is making attractive and appealing Pinterest pin image or Pinterest thumbnails. And here, instead of going to canva.com and search for hundreds or even thousands of done for you templates and just drag and drop and change styles, fonts, and so on. So here I'm gonna show you an awesome tool that gives you the solution to make these attractive Pinterest pin images just with a click of a button. Is ideogram.ai. For sure, we all know it's an amazing tool, one of the best and the first tools to create attractive images using AI, and includes all these realistic and suitable text on them. So here you can leverage ideogram also to create beautiful Pinterest pin image. Simply you can insert here in this box your prompt or the description of your Pinterest pin image. Like for example, if I work on the recipe or the diet niche, so I want to make a photo collage of the best 7 healthy recipes for zucchini or for sweet potato and so on. So here let's get started here and type something like a photo Pinterest, and now make it auto and select this dimensions. Okay, to be vertical, and generate your image or your Pinterest pin image. And for sure, I just use this amazing platform to generate hundreds of these Pinterest pin image, like this one for example, as for zucchini recipes, as you see, as a photo collage, contains beautiful and attractive recipes and so on. This one and this one, as you see, beautiful and delicious meals, so anyone can watch and see this image. He would click over this pin to see more and learn more how you can prepare these beautiful and amazing dishes. So without going to Canva or any other designer, here you can use these AI generators like ideogram.ai. And for sure, if you use this free plan on ideogram, I know it's pouring a little bit to make it waiting for 5 minutes and so on. So you can find these amazing alternatives. Here you can go to leonardo.ai or Midjourney, and for example here likewise you can generate high quality and beautiful stylish Pinterest pin image, as you observe, as for zucchini. And as for our description here, like for sweet potato, so I can copy this one, copy, and go to Leonardo and try this prompt again, paste here and generate. And for sure you've got to be mindful that you can make it in the vertical one by going to the small dimensions and select this mobile dimensions. Okay, close it, this window, and generate your Pinterest pin image. And just in a few seconds, here you can find beautiful and unique stylish Pinterest pin image regarding this prompt and your pin. As you observe, amazing this photo collage of sweet potato dishes, as you see. Amazing, isn't it? So you can, for sure, you can alternate your prompt a little bit and tweak it more to give you your result as you like. And here I'm going to show you an awesome tool that uses AI to make perfect stylish Pinterest pin image. That is playground.com. For sure, it's a unique platform to generate high quality images using these done for you templates, and for sure using AI. So here I just use Playground to generate high quality Pinterest pin image regarding the same niche, like this one for healthy chicken recipe ideas, and this one for elegant sweet potato dishes, as you see. Amazing photos of sweet potato, so that make anyone and drive many people scrolling eyes to your article on your website. So how you can do that, Riemann, step by step quickly. So here you can head over back to the home page here, and here you can find many of these templates, like to make memes, monogram, ebooks, virtual backgrounds, mugs, and so on. So I just head over to this one, social media post, for sure including Instagram, Pinterest, and so on. Therefore, I just select and pick one of these beautiful done for you templates to make our game. So I just select one of them quickly, like this one, for example. Okay. And if I want to make my Pinterest pin regarding the different types of coffee, for example, so just I want to first resize this post to make it vertical with these dimensions. Okay. And then insert your prompt like this one. They like show different types of coffee, amazing ones, as you see, like macchiato and mocha and so on and so forth. For sure, you can ask again to make this entitled of these cups, like for mocha here, text is one, and for latte and so on and so forth. So here you can play around using these templates to create your own Pinterest pin image, apart from using any done-for-you templates from canva.com. And here, if you are working on different niches or you want to make one of the most appealing Pinterest styles like infographics, here I just recommend for you to head over to this one, infography.n. Here you can turn whole articles or text to a beautiful infographic that convey message, bullet points, pieces of advice, and so forth. So it simply can sign up for free. Go to dashboard where you can insert here the URL of your article you want to convert to a beautiful infographic. Insert here a topic or a headline or a content or a text copy paste or a PDF file. Then you can select the ratio or the dimensions of your post. Then click over this button and generate. And of course, I just discussed before how you can leverage Infography and other AI infographic tools to make one line in different 8 ways. Just you can check this video down below in the description box in the first comment. So if you want to make a Pinterest pin image that is infographics, here you can use amazing one, Infography. And that's about creating a beautiful and attractive Pinterest pin image. So how you can make titles and description of your Pinterest pin. For sure, and right off the bat, you can use ChatGPT to create amazing title and description of your pin in different tones and different styles as you like. However, heads up, there is something left. How you can optimize your title and description to make your pin go viral and show up quickly in the search results for anyone searching for it. Here I'm just prepared for you a big premium bundle that contains over 150,000 long tail keywords in 70 the most demanded niches on Pinterest. Not only that, can find for each niche the best 150 best performing pins with their all metrics, like the repins, saves, likes, comments, description, tags, publishing edit, and so on and so forth. Over 30 different metrics for every single pin, so that you can actually copycat that strategy of these successful pins and paste on your own, like title, description, the style of their pins, and the headline, and so on and so forth, to attract many viewers like those. So you can find these bonuses and this amazing bundle down below in the description box and the first comment. So you can get all these long tail keywords to create your beautiful titles and description and make your pins search engine optimized beautifully and like a pro. And here you can head over to the next and the last problem you are facing. That is, if you don't have a website or a landing page where you can promote your products, whether it is affiliate or digital products. How we can do that, Riemann? And just recommend for you to go to this amazing landing page builder that is telegram.ph. For sure, it belongs to Telegram application, but here you can create your article, your stories, and publish them independently. Actually, insert here your product description or your article thoughts and so on, and include your affiliate links like a boss. How you can do that? Simply and quickly. For example, we can go to ChatGPT, and I just take like this one, copy, and go back to telegram.ph, and here insert here your story or your article. In other words, as you see. And here the best part, you can actually customize this paragraph or your article using these editing tools like bold, italic, insert your link, heading, subheadings, and so on. And here you can insert your title like this one quickly, copy, and here the title of your landing page or your article here like that. Perfect. And there is one thing left, how we can insert some attractive images in this landing page or this article prior to publish them on Pinterest. Here, if you click over this icon here, it asks you to insert your link, how you can insert this link and how to get it. For sure, you can get your image from Shutterstock or any from platform like Unsplash, Pixabay, and so on. And of course, you can find down below in the description box in the first comment a big list of the best free platforms that provide you free images with commercial license. Now head over to this amazing website that says postimages.org. Here you can take this amazing one is a image host, temporary one. So you can choose your image that you have downloaded from your platform regarding your topic. And now I just uploaded the image of my Pinterest bundle, as you see. And now we can go to the second one, link, direct link. Copy this one and go back to your telegraph.ph and your article or your product description or your landing page. Insert here this link and click over enter as you see like magic. The ultimate bundle of Pinterest marketing and these contents as you observe. Journey prompts, the best 150 pins in 80 plus niches with their 30 plus metrics and so forth. An ebook to promote your BOD on Pinterest and so on. It's a beautiful and rich bundle for you. Anyway, here you can get all these ideas and AI tools that you can leverage to make money online and take your work on Pinterest to the next level for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.